What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best blenders in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to save a bit of money and still get the good stuff, we say check out the Ninja Professional, the best budget blender on the market in 2022. One of the most famous professional models of Ninja blenders, this model sports an elegant design, is easy to use, functional, and even rocks grinding technology. This beautiful and affordable blender includes several additional glasses that are of great help for several tasks in the grinding process. Ninja Professional has all the necessary safety features. It can be adjusted in one position, so there are no problems with movement. The lid has a spout, so the other ingredients can be put in without having to turn off the blender or reveal the jar. As for the power of this blender, it is quite strong and capable of tacking just about anything you throw its way. The device delivers 1100 watts of power and 3 different speeds. Also included in the mix is high technology for crushing ice, fruits, and vegetables in just a few seconds. The Ninja Professional blender contains 2 cups of professional Nutri-Ninja for quick and easy extraction of nutrients and vitamins necessary for good nutrition. What users especially like as an added benefit is that this model does not contain BPA, so you're safe in that regard. Also, for easy handling and maintenance, the device can be washed in the dishwasher. The package includes the 72-ounce total crushing part, an 1100-watt motor base, 2 16-ounce cups, 2 lids, mountable quality professional knives, and of course, a user guide. The Ninja Professional blender comes in the size of 8 by 6 by 17 inches, while weighing 7.6 pounds. All in all, for the listed price, you will be completely impressed. If you're looking for a product that will deliver the top bang for the buck, we say look no further than the Breville Fresh and Furious, also known as the best value blender available on the market in 2022. This model is the brand's starting blender that lowers the price by replacing the solid base of the stainless steel engines with plastic. The jug also has less capacity than its higher-end models. However, despite the compromises, the device still has a recognizable Breville style and looks well-built. With 5 speeds and 3 preset programs, this blender offers plenty of settings for most people's kitchen needs. It is compact, light, and does not come with additional accessories other than the cover, so it's easy to store. The size of the jar makes it ideal for small families or anyone looking for a good, versatile blender at a reasonable price. The device measures 17.3 by 8.5 by 6.9 inches, so it won't take up much space on your counter. And if you want to keep the device in the closet, it's not too heavy for regular lifting and transport with a weight of 8.6 pounds. The design is elegant, practical, and simple. The pitcher is located directly on the base and is easy to handle. The case has a comfortable ring design that makes it easy to remove. The blender is driven by an 1100-watt motor, which is more than enough for most users. You can choose between 5 speeds, as well as 3 preset programs: green smoothie, auto pulse, crushed ice, and smoothie. For easy cleaning, there's an automatic cleaning function, but the jug and lid can also be washed in the dishwasher. The ice crushing program is preset to 60 seconds, but for example, 6 ice cubes are completely evenly crushed in just 25 seconds. Breville the Fresh and Furious is easy to assemble and use. Had no problems with any of the mixing tests, and also users did not notice that any ingredients got stuck under the blade. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. If you're looking for top performance and quality, check out the Vitamix A3500, the best premium blender available on the market in 2022. This model delivers a great performance. It's a good option for those who want to enjoy restaurant-quality smoothies at home. All Vitamix models are solid, versatile blenders that consistently deliver wonderful results, and this one is no exception. This blender looks beautiful from every angle. It is currently one of the best blenders on the market that can be used for commercial purposes, from making smoothies to frozen margaritas, thanks to its powerful base engine and 64-ounce low-profile mixing bowl that brings the total height to about 17 inches. It's short enough to be tucked under the upper cabinets of standard height for storage on the work surface, and of course it can be stored with a jar. It also has an interface that looks modern compared to those with toggle switches. It still has a central speed dial, but the mode selection, on, off, and pulse are on the touch screen, along with smoothie programs, frozen desserts, hot soups, sauces and spreads, and self-cleaning. When the machine is in low power mode, the Vitamix logo slowly jumps across the screen. By touching one of the controls, the logo disappears and the screen becomes more informative. If the blender does not detect the appropriate container, the icon indicates this on the screen and does not turn on. This feature is what distinguishes this series from its predecessors. While the blender will never go silent, this one is surprisingly quieter than you would expect given its power. One of the features we liked the most was the Vitamix Perfect Blend app. The app is easy to find. It's installed on our phone for free and you can connect it to the blender. The application not only has a wide selection of recipes, but also allows the user to create and save recipes or customize existing recipes. The cleaning function on this blender does a great job of ensuring that the blades and most of the bowls are clean. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. For all you folks looking for a blender of the best, most practical, beautiful, and high-quality design, we especially single out the KitchenAid K400, the best designed blender on the market in 2022. The base has a cast metal construction, typical of KitchenAid devices. It is very useful to have such a solid base when the blender rotates at full speed. The KitchenAid K400 has 3 preset mixing programs: ice crushing, frozen drinks and smoothies, plus a pulse function and a self-cleaning program. For manual control, there are 5 variable speeds to choose from, and all programs and functions are controlled by simple wheels on the front of the blender. The model will not overload you with extra cups and accessories. It only comes with a standard mixing jug, and all the additional accessories can be purchased separately. The K400 is a mid-priced blender from KitchenAid and comes with all the features you expect, as well as classic KitchenAid style and great color options. KitchenAid is a brand that combines attractive design in a large number of color options with solid, robust parts that do the job, and this blender is no different. The cast metal base is durable and weighs almost 12 pounds. If you don't want this device permanently on the counter, it's not easy to move it, but the superior design and choice of colors make it a cool device that you will not need to hide. The center dial controls all settings and programs with one additional start-stop button. Apart from the 5 variable speeds, there is also a program for cleaning the blender jar using fast power pulses and high speeds. All you have to do is add warm water and dish soap. This blender is very easy to use and chops even the leafy spinach and stringy pineapple, as well as any other ingredients, to make a very smooth, nutrient smoothie without any pieces. Nothing gets stuck under the blades, and since the preparation of smoothies is a preset program, it automatically stops when finished. The blender achieved a noise level of 84 decibels, which is roughly the average for this type of appliance, and the jug has a good rim that worked well without dripping. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. Finally, we have reached the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall blender on the market in 2022, which easily went to the Vitamix E310 Explorian. In addition to great reviews and great performance, probably the biggest selling point of the Vitamix E310 is value for money. It has many features that made the Vitamix Classic line great, but at a relatively lower price. The E310 model has a class-leading 2.2 horsepower engine and will deliver a high performance without any problems. This ensures that the mixing process has a higher torque than expected, and the device is able to mix more consistently, producing a smoother mixture in seconds. The overall layout of the motor allows the blender to deliver efficient but extremely durable performance. As for the 48-ounce container, it may be smaller than some competitors, but more than enough for all needs of regular use. Another advantage, the accompanying low-profile container facilitates storage under the cabinets. You can make the same recipes as the A3500 with the same efficiency and less money spent. Most users did not notice any differences in texture when using the same recipes. We can get walnut butter, flour, soup, and more. Also, with a larger blade radius, the possibility of cavitation is completely avoided. Cavitation is the formation of air pockets around the blades, which makes the mixing process slow and inconsistent. In addition, a cooling device is installed to ensure that the blender does not overheat during use. Also, the blades of the Vitamix E310 Explorian are 3 inches in diameter, soft to the touch, but cut effortlessly, making this blender a great home appliance that can deliver amazing mixing results. You can achieve greater consistency with the pulse function, and the container is perfect for small batches of food. Thanks to 10 different speeds that you can easily change, you can get the desired structure with the right culinary skill. The length of the cable is 4.5 feet, and the blades are specially designed from hardened stainless steel, which allows you to easily mix even the hardest ingredients. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.